Hi everybody, I just want to take a few minutes just to make sure that you're really familiar with the scope and sequence of how this course will work. I know many of you have taken a course with me before, but I just want to make sure everybody's on the same page. So the first thing is, the most important, there's a couple things I want to say to you. The first thing is please, please, please use Firefox as your browser. Yes, you can get to the course in other browsers, but I promise you that when you go to post, you will not get an editing toolbar, and that will really inhibit you in this course because you are going to be having to hot link URLs, which you're going to be practicing in the orientation activity forum. The second thing is that please, please, please make sure that you read everything. Everything is really outlined for you, exactly what you need to do step by step. So if you just read everything, read the overviews, read all the assignments, you will be rocking and rolling in this course. And finally, the most important piece is that you really understand that this course runs from each week, including the orientation week, runs from Wednesday to Tuesday. The majority of your original forum posts, where you're kind of reacting to the readings and content, videos, are due on Sunday by midnight. And then your tool of the week, or the artifact, the URL, the tool that you play with, and how you're going to use that in your classroom is due the last day, which is Tuesday by midnight. So let's get into the course and let me show you what I mean. So here I am in our course. You'll obviously be doing the orientation activities, getting yourself familiar in the first week, and introducing yourself in the forum. But let's jump into what is more of a more normal week. Normally you will only have 2 assignments. The first week is a little added assignment because we want to familiarize you, go deeper into this, this concept called TPACK. But just so that you know, you have a blurb that really just tells you what the week is going to be about. But very importantly is there's a week overview. It is really an at a glance what it is you're doing this week, what are your 2 assignments, and when they are due. So if there was a 1 page that you had to print out on this in this course, this would be the page I would print out. The due dates are there. Not only are they there, they're also due in each and every assignment. So if I go into the first assignment, what you're going to find is all of your content, all of the deliverables, how we're delivering our content is all going to happen here above the bar. So anytime you see a link, you want to go ahead and click on those. They may take you to a website, they may download a PDF, might take you to a video, might take you to a website, but you're responsible for sort of looking at all of that content and then synthesizing it with the NETS goal that we're using. This course is written around the NETS goals of National Educational Technology Standards for students because you're delivering instruction for students, so each week is built around how might I use a tool to meet this NET standard. So this is NET standards 2. And so I also just want to show you there's all of these things, and then you have your learning objective, and then step by step, I go over exactly. Brittany and I have written this course to make sure that you really know what you need to do each week, and it's pretty basically the same way. You read some stuff, look at some things, post, then you're going to play with a tool. Make sure you're familiar with that that forum rubric. And then the last thing I just want to show you is the second thing you'll do each week is you'll go into your assignment 2 each week, and we're going to give you some information about a tool, tell you what it can do and can't do for you, and how it might support that NET standard for that week. And then you're going to play with the tool. You got to roll up your sleeves, and it's going to be a work in progress, but you're going to have to give us a working URL to that tool so that we know that you went in there and played with it. But we provide a model in the first week, so you'll know what's expected. That was a really, really quick video. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to email myself or Brittany. See you online.